Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming legal ownership and gathering proof. This matters because carriers and manufacturers require documentation before they help. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi so you won't be interrupted. Next, locate the Google account email or recovery phone you used on the device. Make sure you can access that account or its recovery methods. These steps prevent wasted time and establish the proper path for official removal procedures. You should request removal through official channels because bypassing security voids warranties and may be illegal. If the previous owner is available, ask them to remove the account from settings or via their Google account online. If you are the owner, use Google Account Recovery and Android Find My Device to regain access. These tools validate identity. If those options fail, contact ZTE support or your carrier and provide proof of purchase so they can follow an authorized unlocking or service path. You finish by taking the device and paperwork to an authorized ZTE service center. Technicians can remove accounts only after validating ownership, and that protects both you and them. Make sure to present ID, get a written receipt, and request an estimate before work begins. If service is delayed or denied, escalate to your carrier or local consumer protection with all documentation. This creates a record and helps resolve disputes. One troubleshooting tip: if support requests additional verification, follow their instructions promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.